going to follow the instructions, okay, and see. She'll get. Hi there, hello. So first time stopping by, I am Minami Extra. Nice to meet you. Today we're going to be relaxing my hair because the last time I relaxed my hair was in December and this is June 19. I can see from my phone. So yeah, that's been 6 months. So it's time for me to switch it up and look like a decent human being. So if you're interested in any of that, do all to keep watching, leave a comment down below, subscribe, like welcome to the family. So yeah, let's get this hair relaxed, shall we? Mwah. So grab a seat, you're about to be my assistant. This is the relaxer I'll be using. Nothing in particular, I just grabbed it from the beauty supply store, and the reason why I got this one was because it says it has 2 packs inside, and usually when I used to relax my hair, that's before December, it's the ones that come in sachets, just because when I get the one that's a single cup, my hair is quite thick, so it's not going to be enough. So that's why I grabbed this one. I've never used it before, but let's see how it goes. So yeah, I'm not going to be doing too much of talking. I think I'm going to do a voiceover because I need all the concentration that I can get. So yeah, see ya.
I drink my water, get my sun, visit the ocean. I pour into myself until I'm overflowing. This isn't hoping, it's in the knowing. Oh, destiny calling me, pain on me, it's within. Angels all around me, high tune, I listen.
Through the instructions to be sure of what it says, and it does say, because my hair is thick, so it says coarse hair smoothing time is 8 to 12 minutes and the maximum time is 20 minutes. So we're going to follow the instructions, okay, and see. She'll get. Yeah, so yeah, it's time to put on some gloves. Later.
Solitude, I journal and I blow tree. Meet my own needs, so I know peace. No, I'm sacred, so divine. I'm patient, I'm alive. Oh, yeah. And flow.
Shall I compare to a summer day? She's the sun, she feel like the gray. quench my thirst, she's my lemonade. The yellow that I couldn't paint. Shall I compare to a summer day? Just like the sun, it will never fade. The cool breeze in the shade, my 4 leaves to the plate, right to my mistakes. I just know she'll be my downfall. When the rain it pours, my heart will forever take a toll. 'Cause she's all I know, she's all I know, she's all I know. Shall I compare to a winter solstice? While she's coasting off, I'm dozing like a ghost, thinking that maybe I wouldn't notice. But it's colder, it's colder, it's cold around when you're not here. You put this icebox where my heart used to be, my dear. Not too fond of the idea that you become my downfall. When the rain it pours, my heart will forever take a toll. 'Cause she's all I know, she's all I know, she's all I know. I just know she'll be my downfall. When the rain it pours, my heart will forever take a toll. 'Cause she's all I know, she's all I know, she's all I. She knows me like the back of her hand. Got me wrapped around her finger, stretched out my arm and see if she's truly there. Man, I'm scared. Please stay here. Praying.
You want to avoid your edges during the first application of the relaxer just because each day you wash your face and water gets around the perimeters of your hair, so you don't want to go in with the relaxer in one go so it doesn't have that burning sensation. So I'm going to go in with the relaxer towards the end and just apply on every other part of my edges that has not had the relaxer yet. So the technique which I learned from my mom is basically massage, massage, massage. At some point we're going to detangle, going again with more. In total I used 1.5 cup of the relaxer. So just watch. I think it's basically self-explanatory. Let me know what you think and chat with you later.
I drink my water, get my sun, visit the ocean. I pour into myself until I'm overflowing. This isn't hoping, it's in the knowing. Oh, destiny calling me, pain on me, he's within. Angels all around me, high tune, I listen. Get to know me. Sit in solitude, I journal and I blow trees. Meet my own needs, so I know peace. No, I'm sacred, so divine. I'm patient, I'm alive. Oh, yeah. And flow. Yeah, yeah. Don't know where I'm going. One thing that's for certain, the future brighter than I know it. Grow like a lotus. I drink my water, get my sun, visit the ocean. I pour into myself until I'm overflowing. This isn't hoping, it's in the knowing. Oh, destiny calling me, pain on me, it's within. Angels all around me, high in tune, I listen. To my soul I am devoted. So I ebb and flow. I ebb and flow. I ebb and flow. Ebb and flow. I am the woman of my own dreams, taking time to truly go and get to know me. Sit in solitude, I journal and I blow tree. Meet my own needs, so I know peace. Know I'm sacred, so divine. I'm paid.
Hi, so this is what the hair is looking like. It's all nice washed and dried. I've only used the dryer brush and like going through it, but I'm not sure if my hair is like completely relaxed. The relaxer I used said regular or normal. I think next time I should get the maybe the one after this, because my hair is quite stubborn. That's how they call someone that has my hair, because it's proper thick. Maybe by tomorrow it might just go back to normal, but at least it's manageable. I like it. I like that I could just like brush through it. It's nice and clean and shiny, which I like. About the relaxer, I'll say I really like the things that it came with. It had like hair marinades in the pack, neutralizing shampoo, and all of that good stuff, which I like. Will I relax my hair again? No, I think I'm going to wait at least 3 months or another 6 months, so maybe relaxing my hair again in December, because for the most part I might just do braids and some ponytails. But yeah, let me know what you think. If you're a relaxer girly, give me some relaxer recommendations, what I can use and all of that good stuff, because I really want to take out my hair and let's go on this journey together. So thank you so much for watching and see you on my next video. Mwah.